Hello friends! In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to crochet an octopus. This little octopus is about 10 centimeters and can be used as a Click Clack toy, as a keychain, or if you put a magnet inside it, as a fridge magnet. To crochet this clicker octopus, I used 3-ply yarn number 3, 2.5 millimeters crochet hook, 7 millimeters eyes, and 5 centimeters hair clip. If you can't handle abbreviations, please turn on the subtitles button. We'll start this octopus crochet easy pattern with a slip knot. Chain 13. In fourth chain from the crochet hook, do 3 double crochet stitches. Do 8 double crochet stitches. In last chain, do 7 double crochet stitches. Now we will work on the other side of the chains, and we'll do 8 double crochet stitches. In last one, do 3 double crochet stitches. Now we will end this piece with an invisible join on top of first stitch. Instead of this, you can do 1 slip stitch and fasten off. Hide the tail of yarn and make a second piece, repeating the pattern until the join part. Don't fasten off. For the second piece, join with 1 slip stitch on top of first stitch. Now, take both pieces, put them back to back, and work inserting the crochet hook in both. Do 3 slip stitches. Do 1 single crochet stitch. Do 2 half double crochet stitches. Do 1 double crochet stitch. Do 2 triple crochet stitches. Do 1 double crochet stitch. Do 1 half double crochet stitch. Do 6 slip stitches. Do 1 half double crochet stitch. Do 1 double crochet stitch. Do 2 triple crochet stitches. Do 1 double crochet stitch. Do 2 half double crochet stitches. Do 1 single crochet stitch. We will repeat this part 7 times to get the octopus's legs. Do 1 slip stitch in next. Chain 20. In each chain starting with second chain from the crochet hook, do 2 single crochet stitches. Work back on body part and repeat. Do 1 slip stitch in next. Chain 20. In each chain starting with second chain from the crochet hook, do 2 single crochet stitches. We will get 7 legs. End with 1 slip stitch back on body and fasten off. I really hope you enjoyed my tutorial today, and don't forget that if you want to support my work, you can like and hype the video to help me in the YouTube algorithm so that this octopus reaches as many people as possible. Hide the tail of yarn, add the eyes, and you are done. Thanks for watching and see you soon.